Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit your listing on Facebook Marketplace. So now the first thing that you will need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome or any web browser. After that, you will need to go to facebook.com in the URL and click enter. Now you will need to create a Facebook account if you don't already have it. To do so, you will need just to click create new account and it will take you to the new account creation. So basically all you need to do is to fill in all this information and then you will click on sign up. After that, you will have your Facebook account that will be created successfully. Then all you need to do is to go again to facebook.com and then you will add your account or you are going to log in to your account. So basically you click on login after you fill in your email and password and it will take you to your account. And now the last thing to do is to go to the marketplace, and now all it remains to do again is to follow these simple steps. So now all you need to do is to go to the selling so you can see your listings. So after we click on selling, and here we will find our list of your listing. Then you will go to the listing that you want to edit, the 3 points action, you click on them, and here you will find edit listing. After that, you click on them, and here you can edit all the information of your listing, either the picture or the title, price, category, and all the other information. Then you click on updates and you will have your editing that have been saved successfully. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.